Alright, welcome back to Scavenger Works. We shaved the beard down a little bit, and today we're actually going to review another project that I had done. I actually find pretty interesting, for me at least. Hopefully you guys find some interest in it. And what it was is I had wired in an outlet to do kind of a warning system with two different strobe lights and sirens. Backstory on this was based upon Charlie, our little mascot, my doggo, and he actually suffers from seizures. And one day out here in the shop, the wife was inside and he was actually having one of those, and she was trying to get a hold of me, but my shop doesn't allow great cell service, and so she couldn't get a hold of me. It was kind of a panic situation. So I actually hooked up a smart outlet, and the Wi-Fi is good enough with our extended Wi-Fi that we can hook it up to the Alexa. And I have an outlet here. I'll show you. And these are, don't mind the junction box being open because I was doing some wiring the other day. But up there I just stubbed out a single outlet. The nice thing about this outlet is each actual socket can be two different things. So you get top and a bottom, or you can do both, however you want to set it up. And what I had was these little buzzers. You can change the decibel reading, and I leave them to on. And I was, like I said, doing some other stuff the other day. And so, as a precautionary thing for the wife and me to make sure that he's taken care of, and also, you know, in case of any other emergencies. Like I said, I do get crappy cell reception. The orange is just a warning, which is like, hey, I need your help with something. It's not urgent, but hey, I need your help. Can you come give me a hand? Or, you know, I'm trying to get a hold of you, but I can't. This one is, in a sense, you know, drop what you're doing, 911 kind of situation for the dog. This is, or anything, you know, if she can't get a hold of me, she can tell Alexa. We call this shop alert. I think this is shop alert, and this is shop warning, or shop emergency, shop warning. So you can tell Alexa, hey Alexa, turn on shop warning or turn on shop emergency. And basically each outlet is to its own thing. So we had changed Wi-Fi routers, the extended ones, and we need to reset this up. And it's been on one of those things where, you know, it's like any other project where, you know, you tell yourself, oh, I need to set that up, in case of emergency or whatever reason you got to do it, and then you never do it, and then the moment you need it, you don't have it, and then you're like, man, we should have set that up, and then you're kicking yourself. So I remembered the other day that I should do it, and we're gonna do it. We got to get our smart outlet rehooked up to our Wi-Fi that was disconnected, and hopefully it connects. We've had issues in the past. It looks like it's actually still connected. I didn't think it was, but let me see if it's on the Alexa app. Devices. Oh, we do have it. Never mind. It is set up. Yeah. Okay, well, I can show you what it does. So, let me see which one warning is. Because, like I said, each actual outlet is a different system. So, let's see. Shop warning is going to be the top one, which is going to be this one. Or is it? Yeah, so we have that one set up for shop warning, and then we can turn it off, and then shop emergency, which those are tamper resistant. I had turned that off. This one's a little louder, I think. Shop emergency. And if all hell's breaking loose, you could do both. But that's the system I had come up with. I think these were Amazon. They weren't too expensive. They're cheap China stuff. So just some L brackets. Tried to get it all set up here, but like I said with the intro, this is in case the wife is having an issue and she can't get a hold of me on the cell phone, because it's happened before. Unfortunately, when our dog was having an emergency, and I came up with this to help with peace of mind for both of us. Luckily, we've not had to use it. So I'm kind of superstitious about those things. So the moment you have it, you're never going to need it. But the moment you don't have it, you're going to need it. So we have it now. And hopefully we never need it. Doesn't mean it can still happen. But, you know, at least if I'm out here and she can't get a hold of me, she can ask Alexa to turn either the warning on or the emergency on. And we named them Shop Warning and Shop Emergency. And the smart outlet is, you know, connected to the internet. Now that's obviously as long as the internet and the power and all those things are working. But yeah, so I wanted to thank you guys for watching. This is more of a review of one of my projects I had done before starting the YouTube channel, and I just really like sharing some of the ideas and tips and tricks and just tinkering I do of things that come up in life. And I thought this was a pretty good solution for us, and maybe other people can use it for other things, or who knows, you can get a green one and put one for like dinner's ready or something. I don't know, like the old dinner bell. So thanks again for watching Scavenger Works, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Cut that. Welcome back to Scavenger Works. Oh my goodness. Alright, welcome back to Scavenger Works, and today we are working on the... Do I got it? Yep, I got it set up.